Hey guys, let's discuss new problem from Trie. Okay, Trie data structure, and which is called find the number of substring contains in a string. Okay, but it should be unique. You can remove the duplicate. So it's for example, if the string is given something like this A B A B A. Okay, so how many number of substrings you can form? So let's say A, then A B A B A A B A B, and then A B A B A. Okay, after that B B A B A B B A B A. Okay, then A B A B A. After that B B B A, and then A. But here if you see, this one is common with this A. Okay, this one is common with this B. This BA is common with this BA. This A is again common with this A. AB is common with this AB, and ABA is common with this ABA. So how many strings do you have? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 plus 1 for the empty string. So 9 plus 1, it will be 10. So 10 will be the answer. So you need to find this using the trie. So how you will do this? Very simple. You first insert all these string into the trie, and then second time traverse it again, search in a trie, and see how many nodes are there, or just during the insertion only we will count the node. Okay, so how we will do this? Very simple. See, this is your node structure which we have seen in the last video also. So you will have a one links array of size 26 for the alphabets, and then this contains key character. Will check whether that particular character is there in the links array or not. This get will get the I think reference, right, of that particular character, and then put. What put will do? It will you will get one node, so it will put this node address into this link of ch index. Okay, means address of that node to the in the array of that particular ch index. Okay, now count distinct substring. What it is doing, you will create so first you will create one node. Okay, and you call it as root, let's say. Now count equal to 0 initially. Okay, so whenever you will create a new node, you will increase the value of count. Now you will run two for loops. Okay, one is I equal to 0 and j equal to I. Okay, so you have this string A B A B A. So first you will do for this A an entire characters, and then again the control will come here. Okay, I plus plus. So that's why you need two for loops, and after I for loop, once let's say you have inserted all these strings from this one. Okay, again the control will come to this root node. That's why you are writing here node equal to root, and then you just take that character, check if it is there in the node. Okay, if it is not there, then put it and do count plus plus. I told you that we will increase the value of count when you insert new node. Okay, and then node equal to node dot get dot ch means you will go to next node. Okay, and this is your main function, and the string is given ABABA, and at the end you will return count plus 1 because for the empty substring, 1 for the empty substring. So let's do this. Okay, first A will come. You will check whether A is there. So no, A is not there. So you will do one thing. You will create one node A. Okay, and then yeah, that's it. The structure of node is links. You don't have is and or something, that flag we don't require it, so we haven't kept it. Okay, then A and then B will come. Okay, so no, you don't have, so you will create one B. So here count plus plus, so count will become 1. Here also count plus plus, so count will become 2. Okay, then AB, then A will come. So again you will put A here. Okay, and count will become 3. AB, then again you don't have that, so you will create new node and put it here. Okay, count will become 4. Then ABA. So you'll put it here and count will become 5. Okay, again node equal to root. Okay, so again the control will come here at the root node, and then it will run for I equal to 1. I equal to 1 means this one till here. Okay, I equal to 1 to j is s dot length minus 1. So B, for B you don't have B here. Okay, so what you will do, you will in this array, so for A, so you have written it right. Now for B also you will write, so B will come here. Okay, and its reference node will be here, so something like this. Okay, now B is done. Okay, B is done, and then so you have added this B here now, this one, so you will add it 6. This one will become 6. Okay, now B, after that what is that? A. So you will add A here, and this reference node would be here, and this one will become 6. Now BAB, again you don't have that B, so you will create one, this one, and then its reference node will be here. This one will become 8. BABA, now it's time for A, so A will come here, and this one will become 9. Okay, after that control will come to this A. So A, you already have this A. Okay, leave it. Then AB, you already have, leave it. ABA, you already have, leave it. Okay, control will come to this B. So it will check, yeah, B, you have B here. Okay, leave it. So then B and A, you have that B and A also. Now control will come to this A. You have this A here. Okay, so how many at the end? Count value is 9. So 9 plus 1 will be your answer, 10. So that's it. Thank you.